this video, I'm going to teach you how to cut parts out of your file in iMovie on your iMac. Now, I have a video here. It has some audio, really simple. But to really do this correctly, you're going to want to split the clip. So what I like to do, if you're on a MacBook or an Apple product, you can simply click your video source, click anywhere that you want, and that way you can see the little dash here. And then what you want to do is just hit Command B, and that will split the clip anywhere you really want to. And then you can just hit undo, and it'll sew those clips back together. But you just want to click and then hit Command B. Another way to do it, if you can't do that, is to click at a point, and you can even go up here and you can hit split clip. See it says Command B there. It's just a hotkey, and you can just hit that and it'll split your clip. And then you can hit the undo and sew it all back together, so it's just one clip. But this is really good. It's really quick and easy and very useful to have, especially if you want to cut out some dead parts in any kind of project that you're working on. Make sure to like and subscribe for some more easy iMac and iMovie tips.